So this is part 2 of your chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In the first part we have discussed what is the linear equation in two variable, and we have discussed about the pair of linear equation in two variable in standard form. And now we are moving on to the methods of solving. There we have also discussed about the number of possible ways in which we can draw two lines on a plane. So today we will discuss the methods of solving. The first method is the graphical method. We will discuss that with an example. We have a pair of linear equations in two variables, x plus y is equal to 5. This is your first equation. And the second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. So we will plot the lines represented by these equations. We will plot the graph and we will see how many solutions these two equations together have. For the plotting the first equation, we need at least 2 points. So we will try to find out 2 points which lie on this line. For that, by putting some values of x, we will calculate the values of y. The best possible way is to put x is equal to 0. If we substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation, we will get y is equal to 5. And if we put y 0, we will get x is equal to 5. So if x is 5, then y will be 0. By using these 2 points, we can plot the line. Here also, we need 2 points at least to draw the line represented by this equation. For that, again substitute x is equal to, I think, if you put y is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 1, right? If we take x is equal to 2, because I want to avoid the negative, otherwise we can substitute x equals 0 also. If x is 2, then 2 minus 1 will be y, that is y will be 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got 2 points from each the line. Now plot the line. For this, we will make the axis. This is the x-axis, x dash represented the negative x-axis, and this is y, positive y-axis, and this is the negative y-axis. So mark the points, divide it equally, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need up to 5 in the positive direction of x-axis, and y also we have only taken points which are positive, so mark it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need the point 5 also, 5 here. For the first line, when x is 0, y is 5, 0, 5, it comes here. The next point is 5, 0, join these 2 points, you will get your first line. This is your first line, which is represented by the equation x plus y is equal to 5. The second is 1, 0. The point is 1, 0 and 2, 1. 2, 1. x2, y1. This is 2, 1. Join these two and extend it. We can see that both the lines intersect at one point. Both the lines intersect at one point. Corresponding x value is 3, and the corresponding for finding out what the coordinates of this point, we can put x is equal to 3 in this equation. If x will be 3, then y will be 5 minus 3, 2. 3, 2. Check with the second equation also. If you put x is equal to 3 here, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 3, 2 is a point lying on both the equations, which means solution of these two equations, simultaneous solution of these two equations is 3, 2. So by drawing the graph, we have seen that the lines intersect at a single point, which means the lines have a unique solution, and the solution of these two equations is, solution is 3, 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is the solution. We can find out that the lines will intersect without drawing the graph also. In the first part, we have learned that if a1 by a2, 1 by 1, 1 is not equal to b1 by b2. It is minus 1. a1 by a2 is coefficient of x by coefficient of x here. 1 divided by 1, it is 1. And it is positive 1 by negative 1, it is negative 1. So 1 is not equal to minus 1. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means Without drawing the graph also we can find out that the lines will intersect. But we are discussing about the graphical solution. So by plotting the graph, we have seen that both the lines are intersecting in a single point, which means the lines are having a unique solution, and that solution is 3, 2.